Patrol.
Yeah, okay.
But only one episode, then I want to watch the news, okay?
Yeah, okay. We want to watch the one with the pond.
Okay, I'll put it on for you.
Yeah, that one. Paw Patrol, Paw Patrol.
Stop! We can't keep going. Why not? Look, there's a pond here with frogs and ducks and their ducklings. Oh yeah, you're right. What are we gonna do now? I'll call Paw Patrol. Hello, Ryder.
Ryder here?
There's a pond here with frogs and ducks and we can't get our work done.
No job is too big, no pup is too small. Paw Patrol, to the lookout!
Ryder needs us!
Thanks for hustling, pups. Paw Patrol, we have an emergency. The construction crew can't finish their work on the street because there's a pond with frogs and ducks in the way. We have to evacuate the animals to a new home. I need Chase to cordon off the construction site and keep an eye out for the animals. Chase is on the case. And I need you, Rubble, to transport the animals to a new pond. Rubble on the double. Paw Patrol is on a roll. Ow, ow. Here's the pond. Yes, and the ducks are raising their ducklings here. We have to help them. Chase, you cordon off the pond so that no construction vehicles can get through. Chase is on the case. And Rubble, you help me lure the animals into the transport boxes. Yes, Ryder. The bigger box is for the ducks. Okay, then we'll put the frogs in mine. Critter friends, we're taking you off to a nice new pond. Far away from the construction site so that you can live in peace. Ryder, maybe we should lure the animals over with some food. Good idea, Rubble. Let's see if the ducks like this. Yes, it worked. Super, Chase. You keep an eye out so that they don't run away. Okay, Ryder. Come on, hop in. Good frog. Great. They're all in. Off to the new pond.
Thank you, Ryder. Thank you, Paw Patrol.
Oh no. What's wrong, Ryder? The pond has dried up. Oh no. Oh no, there's no water left in the pond. Marshall, we need your help. We can't move the animals here because the pond has dried up. I need you on your water cannon. I'm fired up. And you, Rocky, do you have anything we could use as a pond liner so that the water doesn't seep out straight away? I've got an idea. Don't lose it. Reuse it. Rubble, I need you to dig away the stones so that we can lay down the pond liner. Rubble on the double. And I'll keep an eye on the animals. I'm a German Shepherd after all. I've got the liner. Great, Rocky. That will do perfectly. Rubble, I need you to put the stones at the edge of the pond now. Turn can. Guys, in this mission? Yeah, everyone doesn't have to be in every episode. Thanks, you did a great job, Paw Patrol. Now we just need some plants, and then the frogs and ducks can move in. Right, let's see if you like it here. And now we can head home.
Right, kids, that episode's finished. Now I'm gonna watch the news.
Aw, bummer. What shall we do now? I've got an idea. We could act out the episode. I'm the Marshal. Oh yeah, and I'm Rebel. We need our plushies. They can be in it too. Yeah!
Dear kids, dear Playmobil fans, I hope you enjoyed our video. If you did, we'd love it if you could give it a thumbs up. And if you like, you can watch some more here.